Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to quote retweet on X. Okay, so first of all, let's go to X application, and you want to find a specific post that you want to quote, and below it you have to tap this repost icon that looks like two arrows in square, and from this list you want to select quote option. And this is the menu where you can add your comment, your reaction, basically whatever that you want. Additionally, if you want, you can add media to your quote. Also, you can use Grok. This is artificial intelligence from X application. Also, you can use GIF, and you can add location. And once you are satisfied with your comment, you have to tap post button in the top right corner of your screen, and the quoted post will appear on your profile and it will be publicly visible for everyone. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.